Hey, what's up, guys? It's Friday afternoon. Gonna did some UD Black. I love this product. I haven't done it in a while. 3 boxes in from Blowout Cards. Had a good deal running on these, so thank you guys. Here we go. Hopefully we don't get 3 boxes of all rookies. Like I've done that before. Like a Nate Davis or we'll do the left one first here. Nate Davis, Patrick Turner, Glenn Coffey. Alright, here we go. Pack numero uno. As always, the flag patch and the auto on the bottom. So we'll do the flag patch first here. In trouble here. Oh, I think I saw who it was. And it is a rookie. The first card is Emmitt Smith. It's not bad. Flag patch, 233 to 250, and yep, Brandon Tate for the Patriots, who actually is getting a little bit more action now. $3.99. Brandon Tate and Emmitt Smith. This one probably means it's a rookie. Not guaranteed, of course, but maybe. Let's see here. I did this box first because it was number 10. It's one of my lucky numbers because I was born on January 10. Let's see if 10 pulls through here. Alright. 2 good flag patches. I like that. Drew Brees out of 250, and it is Andre Smith, $3.99 rookie. Oh yeah, double rookie autos. So first box, I think the flag patches were actually better than the autos, but we won't be too discouraged from that. We'll keep on going. Box number 57. Got some Bruno Mars in the background right now. Love his CD at this moment. Bruno Mars. Alright, we'll try the right pack this time first. Maybe the right hand side will have a little more mojo. I'd like to see like a double auto or something. Double and triple auto would be pretty cool. Okay, flag patch. Ooh, nice. Jim Kelly. Jim Kelly. And it's a rookie. Oh, geez. Javon Ringer. I have a bad feeling about these boxes. Javon Ringer and Jim Kelly. $3.99 is Javon. Bounce back with a nice rookie here. Maybe a Stafford or a Sanchez. Maybe? Maybe? Come on, Upper Deck. I'm losing a lot of faith in you. Although the exquisite box last night was good. And another pretty good flag patch, Steve Young. Nice. And it's another rookie. I actually don't know who that is. James Davis. Nice. $3.99. James Davis auto. Jeez, I'm getting destroyed on these autos. James Davis, Javon Ringer. Patches are much better. Brandon Tate so far and Andre Smith. Let's see, one more box. Let's redeem ourselves here, maybe. See if we have any sort of luck with this one. I'm not sure which pack to begin with. This one seems a little thicker for some reason. Man, these flag patches are really good. Peyton Manning. think it's a regular one. Oh, nice. Rocky is a Bleier for the Steelers out of 75. So we do have a legend auto. Rocky Bleier, I think. Number 20. I think it's a safety probably, or a defensive guy. Right. Oh, no. Oh, my God. And I just dropped it. Running back. I'm sorry. It is a running back. Peyton Manning and Rocky. Alright, non-rookie auto. Feeling better about that one at least. And last but not least, hopefully not least, because can't get much worse than Andre Smith. We got it's in a sleeve. Greg Jennings, I'm sorry. Oh, Chris Beanie Wells. This isn't bad. 10 of 10. Ohio State. And James Laurinaitis. Wow, Chris Beanie Wells and James Laurinaitis. 10 of 10. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that card a lot actually. With the felt there. So yeah, I made up for most of it. Very nice card. It's like sticky in the bottom though. It's kind of weird. There you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Some nice flag patches. The last box was by far the best one, but what can you do? Andre Smith for the win. So 6 nice autos. Some better than others. Actually 7 with the double there. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care and have a good weekend.